Assalamualaikum, good morning students. Welcome to Phonics Academy online class. Today we will study at grade 7. Our subject name is computer. Our topic name is elements of a computer system. In this last video we learn about different elements of a computer, like storage devices, hard disk, soft disk, floppy disk. It's all different about computer elements. But now today we are discussing about the memory devices like RAM, ROM, floppy disk, and secondary, primary memories we learn about in these videos. And firstly, we will discuss our computer. Everyone open your page number 13 and 14. A computer, according to the memory of our sharing data and instruction, just like our brain store informations. It's a computer world. But what is a memory? What is a memory device? Memory is an important and essential part of a computer that stores huge data and information and give a result. Best example of what you save a file, it is stored in a memory. जैसे कि हम कंप्यूटर में कोई फाइल सेव करते हैं, वो कहाँ पर सेव होती है? अगर कंप्यूटर में कोई डेटा सेव करते हैं, वो ऐसा फाइल की सूरत में कंप्यूटर में हमारे पास परमानेंटली डेटा में सेव होते हैं. इट इज स्टार्टेड इज मेमोरी. What is ROM and what are the full form of a ROM and what are the ROM stand for read only memory. It is the main function of just read it. Okay, it's a read only memory. It store permanent data. Data is ROM cannot be changed easily. जो उसमें permanently data store किया जाता है, इसे हम easily change नहीं कर सकते. It help that the computer is start boots. इससे क्या होता है? कंप्यूटर के में वायरस या बूट्स स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. रैम. व्हाट इज द रैम? व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द रैम? रैम स्टैंड फॉर रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. RAM stand for random access memory. It is a temporary memory. Data is not permanently is turned off. It help run program quickly. Secondary data. Next to the memory. Two devices part into the two different types: primary memory and a secondary memory, and further divided into the different types. Secondary memory. Secondary memory store the permanently data. It has a large charge of easily data maintain even the program power off. For example, hardware, USB, floppy disk, CD, DVD. It's a best example of secondary memory. Next, move to the next part, floppy disk. What is floppy disk? What is the main function of the floppy disk? Floppy disk is a data storage data. It store very small amount of data. It's the whole device of storage data. It is not done today because of quickly. Now understand what is RAM, what is ROM, what is primary memory, what is secondary memory, and what is floppy disk. ROM is it's a short introduction. ROM is a permanently data stored into the device, and RAM is a permanently data. But floppy disk is the old storage devices. It's a short introduction of RAM, ROM, secondary devices, secondary and primary. Okay, everyone open your page number 13 and listen carefully. I start reading. Memory devices. A memory is required to store data and instruction. It is the essential part of a computer and it's also divided into two main parts. First part is primary memory and second part is secondary memory. Main memory. It's a main memory. Primary memory is a main and important memory. It is mainly based on the integrated circuits of can be directly accessed by the access over time UCB is less. It's divided into further two types, RAM and ROM. Two divided RAM and ROM, read-only memory and random access memory. Random access memory is a memory that can only be read. It does not allow to be written to. जो ROM है उसे allow नहीं है कि वो written कर सके, just listen. Next one is a random access memory. It's with RAM. RAM is also known as a read-write memory because it allows you to perform both read and write options. It is a temporary, is a nature. Everybody turn your page. In any computer system, RAM is such a large data to store in this but still has a limited capacity of storage data. So, secondary memory is needed a computer system to store large amount of data information. Next, the next part of storage device is secondary memory. One of the important characters of a computer is to store a large amount of data since primary. Next, move the next part, floppy disk. Floppy disk is one of the essential and storage devices. It uses a medium data and a storage in it. A floppy disk is 3 by half inch in size. Look like that. It's a floppy disk. A floppy disk has the disadvantages of limited storage. इनका limited storage का disadvantages ये है कि low speed and low reliability and compared to hard disks and many other storage devices. जब हमने इसको storage different storage devices के साथ compare किया तो इसकी capacity जो थी different जो storage devices उनकी निस्बत कम थी. Now understand this is reading paragraph. Now everyone look at the board and read first spelling with me. First one, memory storage required. Needed, storing, saving, instructions, commands, program, adjustable, record, store, information, data, separable, removable. And this is the diagram of the memory storage devices. Primary memory, it's all about a primary memory of storage devices, and it's all about a hardware, CPU, USB. It's all a secondary devices. It's a tracker to show the result of a memory. Now students, understand, have any questions? Okay, everyone write down your homework. Unit number 1, elements of a computer, page number 13 and 14, reading and learn the words meaning. Thank you students, revise your lecture and complete your work carefully.